Prep test 68, game number 2, question number 9. If J is the only person in M, which of the following must be true? So we can look at option 1 here and see that J is not the only person in M, so we don't have to look at this option. In option number 2 down here, if we assign J to M, that means F and G are spread out over Tuesday and Wednesday because of our rule right up here, and H is assigned to Tuesday. Which must be true? Is F in Wednesday? Could be true, doesn't have to be. Is H in Tuesday? Yes, it is. This one's looking good. Is G in Tuesday? Could be, but doesn't have to be. Is F with H? It could be, but it doesn't have to be. And is G with H? Once again, could be, but doesn't have to be. B is the only answer choice that must be true.